Sometimes the simplest colors can create the brightest movement. Welcome back to the Art of Yayomi. Today I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using white, yellow, green, and blue acrylic paint to create a bright and flowing abstract design. I want this piece to feel fresh, light, and easy, something relaxing to watch while still allowing the colors to stand out on their own. In fluid art, color placement plays an important role in how movement develops across the canvas. Even simple line patterns can create strong transitions once the paint begins to flow. I begin by pouring white, yellow, green, and blue in parallel lines across the canvas, creating a foundation for the composition before introducing movement. Using a blow dryer helps stretch and blend the paint across the surface. The airflow pushes the colors outward, creating soft transitions, layered movement, and abstract shapes throughout the painting. What I enjoy about this process is watching how the colors interact once they begin to move. The brightness of the yellow against the blues and greens create a very energetic but balanced feeling. The blow dryer was the main tool used to create movement in this painting. I had to go over the surface more than once, using airflow to continue stretching and shaping the colors until the composition started to come together. Each pass created new movement, helping the paint open up and reveal softer transitions and abstract details throughout the piece. I gently tilted the canvas to help the colors flow and stretch across the surface. As the paint moved, soft transitions and abstract movement began to form throughout the piece. As the paint settled, the colors remained bright and vibrant while still blending softly into one another. What started as a simple pour became a colorful piece full of movement and energy. Sometimes the easiest pours become the most enjoyable ones to create. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you see in the comments. And remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.